Rise up. Your dreams are waiting for you. Your dreams are waiting for you. Life only happens once. Life only happens once. If you give up today, no one will remember you tomorrow. No one will remember you tomorrow. You are not born to live an ordinary life. You have something special inside you. You have something special inside you. If your dreams are small, your life will be definitely and surely small. If you don't work hard now, regret will be your destiny. Regret will be your destiny. The world is waiting for you to turn your dreams into reality. You just need to believe in yourself, to believe in yourself, my dear. Making excuses, start working. Successful people don't make excuses, they make progress. I don't have resources. You just need passion. Resources will come. My circumstances are bad. Successful people change their circumstances, my dear. Successful persons change their circumstances. No one supports me. You don't need anyone. Just trust yourself. Example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a fisherman's son, but he became the missile man of India. Jack Ma was rejected 30 times for jobs. A big businessman in China, but today he owns Alibaba, one of the world's biggest companies. If you really want success, start working. Excuses can wait. Don't set limits on yourself. The only limit you have is the one you create. In your mind. The bigger you dream, the bigger you achieve. The bigger you dream, the bigger you achieve. Those who say it's impossible, are just afraid to try. Don't limit your thinking. The world is made for you to conquer. Examples, my dear. Neil Armstrong walked on the moon because he didn't think small. Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook from a small dorm room. Now he is billionaire. Think big, do big. Don't hold yourself back. Never and ever give up. Keep moving. Failure only happens when you stop trying. You will face challenges, but they are there to make you stronger. Every time you fall, learn how to rise again. No one in history, my dear, become successful without failing first. Examples, Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Colonel Sanders was rejected 109 times. KFC becomes a success. Failure is not the end. It is just a lesson to make you stronger. My dear. Be the hero of your own life. Either you write your own story, or the world will make you an extra in someone else, my dear. Remember this: if you don't take control of your life, someone else will. Don't wait for opportunities. Create them. People will laugh at you today, but when you succeed, my dear, they will use your name as an example. Examples. Bruce Lee once said, I can accept failure, but I can't accept not trying. Shah Rukh Khan can started with nothing. Now he is the king of Bollywood. Don't be part of someone else story. Don't be part of someone else story. Be the hero of your own life. Of your own life, my dear. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Time is very precious than money. Life is a gift. Life is a gift. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. The time you waste today will become your regret. Your regret tomorrow. Tomorrow, every second is valuable. The one who works today will succeed tomorrow. Definitely he will succeed tomorrow. Those who waste time are wasted by time. If Steve Jobs had wasted time, we wouldn't have iPhones today. If Elon Musk had wasted time, he wouldn't be launching rockets into space. Time is short. Use it wisely or regret it forever. Build your legacy with hard work. If you have nothing, work hard work, because hard work can give you everything, my dear. Success won't come to you. You have to chase it. There are no shortcuts. If you want success, work day and night. The world remembers those who make history. My dear, with their efforts. Example, Amitabh Bachchan was rejected from many films, but today he is a legend. MS Dhoni was an ordinary boy, but his hard work made him a cricket legend. Hard work, my dear. Hard work is the only thing that can give you the life you dream of. Final words, my dear. You can change the world. People who change the world are not special. They just never give up. This is your time. To do something big. This is your time to believe in yourself. This is your time to show the world what you are capable of. Now get up. Stop working and turn your dreams and turn your dreams into reality. Come here.